What is buffering?
Recording.
Now, yeah.
Yeah, it's started. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning. A very good morning to all of you. So, we will wait 1, 2, 3 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes for the children to join because still we are, along with two teachers, we are 31. Let them everyone join and then we start our class. Today, first, we will learn the map number 8. So first I request to the children if they understood after doing so many maps, if they understood how to explain map number 8. So first you try to explain me how to do the map number 8. Aryan,
Ma'am, I have done map number 8.
Dhruvi. So will you explain how to do it?
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have also completed.
Good, good. So we will try this today and then after
Ma'am, I
that,
have also done.
very good. After that, I will send one link in the chat box, which is the worksheet link. That worksheet is someone mic is on. Please mute your mic.
Ma'am,
Yes, Prishant, tell me.
ma'am, due I was absent for 2 days. That's why I'm not clear with the uh, chapter.
So, my dear, how now you tell me tomorrow I'm going to take the CET. As I told earlier to all the children that we don't get absent in maths class, specially.
Ma'am, I was not well.
See, in the maths class, we will do revision today, right? On the basis of directions also. You were there when I was explaining about the directions north, south, east, and west. Yes, Rishang, you were there that time.
Yes, ma'am.
My dear children, someone mic is on. Please switch off your mic except Rishang mic. Rishang, you switch off your mic. I will explain you.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell
I'm
me.
Rushika is switching off and on her mic.
I will see. I will check. My dear children, it's a request, everyone. Please open your cameras. Switch on your cameras, please. Switch on your cameras, please. I will not start
Ishana,
the
why
class.
did you join with two IDs?
Yes, ma'am, I'll just.
And it's my request to everyone, this they have to switch on their cameras. Anubhavi, switch on your camera.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
it's
camera
on.
is on. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, today.
Devanshi, on. Kathan, switch on
Ma'am,
your
my
camera.
camera is on. Ma'am, my camera is on.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
Maisha, switch
Ma'am,
on
my
your camera.
camera is on.
Yes. Okay. And Vrushika, your camera is not on. Please switch on your camera.
Trisha,
Very.
switch on your camera. Jaival, Maisha. Ma'am, my camera is on only. Now
Okay.
you are visible. Can you see me?
Yes,
I
yes. Jaival, you are
done.
visible.
Ma'am, can I explain map 8?
What?
Ma'am,
Map
can I
it.
map it? See me?
Let everyone join. We are 31 only. Till now, we are 31 only still.
I also, I cannot. Ma'am,
Yes.
in map 6 we have to that. I have written the question answers too much, so we have to that measure the in map 6 and write the answer.
You have to?
Measure or not? Because I am doing now. I am not understanding. It is written that map. That is like measuring. That's why I asked.
Jaiwal, I'm not getting it. Write in the chat box what you want to say. Okay, we start our class. Ishana, will you try to explain us map number 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, it is written, which of these is exactly opposite
Can I
to the
present my
blackboard?
screen and you will explain us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This we have already done. How many times it is bigger, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we
Now,
have done it yesterday.
yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am. We have done.
Now we are going to do this map. Map number 8 is totally related with the map number 7. Both are
Yes,
interrelated.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Why
because,
both? Yeah. Why
because
both are interrelated?
Ma'am, because all the
Ma'am.
classrooms have the same area, and we have to find the benches, the doors, and that's from the map number 7.
Yeah, in map number 7, it is completely designed about the school map, that where will is the classes, where is the assembly hall, where is the playground. And in the map number 8, it is the internal display of a class, like blackboard will be where the display board, where the notice board will be, where the almirah will be, that in each class where all these things will be placed. That's why both the maps are interrelated. Yes, can you please explain, Ishana?
Yes, ma'am. The first question is, which of these is exactly opposite to blackboard? So, ma'am, blackboard is near the door,
Yes.
and its opposite is the display board.
So what will be the first answer, children?
Display board.
So please take display board. Next, go to the question number B.
Now look at the school map again. Guess and mark where should be this be.
Yeah. So read the first point.
Blackboard in third A and seventh class.
So blackboard is there. You can see, blackboard is here.
We want to
Yes.
write near the gate.
Now listen carefully.
that the blackboard is between windows and doors. Okay, one, two, three, four dimensions we have. So blackboard is coming between the windows and doors. So this side it will be. So remember, so the classes are given 3A and 7. So come to 3A and 7. So here we have 3A and 7. Yeah.
Mom, can you mute your mic?
Now, ma'am, this is the third A, and its door is here, so the blackboard would be.
Blackboard will be where?
Ma'am, it should be
Hmm?
here.
Okay. Now listen, right?
Yes, ma'am. Here or
Here we have. So where the blackboard will be? Let me zoom it first.
here?
Okay. So as I have told you that the blackboard is coming between windows and doors. So here will be our blackboard. Okay.
Yeah.
And in class 7, here are the windows and here is the main gate, means class gate. So the gate will be here, means blackboard will be here.
See, in the map, they are asking where the blackboard will be in 3rd A and the 7th. And in the map number 8, you can see that blackboard is between windows and the doors. So first we have to see the direction of where the windows and doors are in. So in the map number 7, windows are up. Windows are to the which direction? To our
North.
north direction. And door is to the
South.
south.
Ma'am,
So
see
where,
this.
so where will be the blackboard in which direction?
East.
Yes, very good. East. Yes, Pranshu, I will check yours also. Okay, Pranshu? Yeah, till that everyone please mute their mics. Devanshi, Maisha, mute your mic please. Pranshu, I will listen to you also after completing this. Mute your mic, everyone. Yeah. When I'll ask the question, then only you answer. Okay. So we know that now in 3rd A, the blackboard is in east, right? Now write in the chat box that where will be the blackboard of 7th? In which direction the blackboard of class 7? Because the class 7 door windows are in which direction?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, Jaival.
West.
No. According to the campus map scale, how to measure? Always north, up, south, down, then east will be your right and west will be your left. Right? So where it will be? See, this is in the first 3rd A, the windows are in
North, I think. North.
not exactly north, it is north. If we take the center, then it will be north, right? Then it will be clear to you. It is into the north.
Maisha, turn off your mic.
Please tell me, Aryan,
Devanshi, turn off
which
your mic.
direction it will be.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So where it will be in the class 7, where will be the blackboard? In the
East.
just check.
Ma'am, can I?
It will be in the
West.
west. It will be in the west. So now go to the next question. Notice board in grade 5 and 6B. So grade 5 and where the notice board is. Notice board. Please switch off your mic. My voice is echoing. Yes, thank you, Eva. Notice board is in between the one side there is a door and the other side there is a window. So now let's check where will be the notice board in class 5th and 6th B.
Clear? Now, next question. Almirah in class 6 and 10. So, first check in map 8, where is Almirah? Almirah is...
Sorry, first we will do now Almirah in 6th and 10th. Eva? Yes.
downside of the two windows, and here we have a display board. Clear? And you can also check that the Almirah is just in a slant opposite direction of the door. Clear? So let's come to this classes 6 and 10. So 6 and 10 are here. class 6 and class 10. So we found that the almirah was in just opposite slant direction, so of the class gate. So this is the class gate, and in its opposite direction here we will have the almirah, and it is coming also downside of a window. So yes, this is the class gate, and in the opposite direction, yeah, it is, and these are the windows. So where it will be, yeah, it will be here. These are the almirah. Now come to
What is almirah?
Almirah is the what you call, you keep the clothes in that cupboard, जिसको बोलते हैं, that is the almirah. Yeah. And now you understood, Pur?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Turn on your camera.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ishara, tell me. Who told? Excuse me.
ma'am, I am told.
Yeah, Vrishang, tell me.
Ma'am, the person who was speaking,
Yes,
he
yes.
told that where will the almirah come in class 6 and
Yes.
10. Ma'am,
Yes.
but it's written 4 and 10.
It's, yeah, 4 and 10 it should be. Yeah? Okay. So I'll mute my mic. I'll start the next now. Next is notice board in 5th and 6th B. Where will be the notice board in 5th and 6th B?
the next question. Notice board in class 5 and 6. So notice board, okay. So doors downside is notice board here. Clear? So come to the classes 5 and 6B. So let's find 5 and 6B. So here we have 6B and 5 we have here. And we have to, yes, here we have to check the notice board. So notice board was, okay, downside of the door. Okay, so here it will be blackboard, and here will be, sorry, in class 5 here will be the blackboard and notice board will be here. Okay, here it will be notice board. And now come to class 6B. So okay, here is blackboard, so it is blackboard, and notice board will be in this side. Yes, this is notice board.
So children, about the blackboard, we have already learned where will be the blackboard in between the windows and the doors.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, we have to mark just the notice board now because it is written. We have to
Yes,
mark
yes.
notice board.
But once you know about the blackboard, where the blackboard will be, you will easily able to mark the notice board. Yeah. You only have to mark the notice board only. But they are telling you how to mark where will be the notice board and where will be the blackboard of the each class.
Ma'am, I did different designs and I
No
written
problem. Yeah.
above and written that this is blackboard and this
Yes.
is square.
Yeah, definitely right. Now, next we go to last seat of middle row. Last seat, when we see the middle row in map number 8, right? Last seat in the middle row. So, which will be the last seat in the middle row? Nishika? Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, I was asking that there is no middle row.
It is there, Meta, in the map number 8.
It is there.
It is there.
Last
1,
seat
2,
of
3,
middle
4, 5 rows are there. When you leave 2 to your right side, 2 to your left side, and the middle row is this is the middle row, right? When out of the total 5, you have to find out the middle number. So which will be the middle number?
Ma'am, there are 6 lines.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines are there in your map number 8. Just check. How many are there? 5 rows are there.
Yes, ma'am, 5 are there.
Who is telling 6?
And third.
Yes, ma'am, there are 6.
And third will
Ma'am,
be.
it's 6.
My dear, who is telling 6? Tell me.
Ma'am, Aheli.
And Ruby.
No, ma'am, it is
Aheli.
5.
Ma'am, in my also.
There are 6.
Yes, ma'am.
No, there are
Ma'am,
not
ma'am,
4, 5.
ma'am, in column.
Five only. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, see, there are 5 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Ma'am, they are rows are in sleeping line.
Yeah. They are saying rows in the sleeping
Ma'am, all
line.
are seeing columns. Rows.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, there are 6 rows in horizontal line and
Yeah.
5 rows in vertical
Ma'am,
line.
5 only. Yes, ma'am, 5.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So
I
now,
was counting
and
that
5.
column.
yes.
It is
Okay.
5 only.
Now let's see. Now you understood, no? How it is 5 and which is the middle row? Yes.
Yes,
Now let me explain you now. So I mute myself. Everyone switch off your mics, please. Nishika, switch off your mic and put this aside.
Class 6B. Now come to the next question, that is A, B, C, then, okay. Last seat of middle row. So last seat of middle row. So this is the middle row and this is the last seat. So last seat is just in front of display board. So first we have to find the display board, then we will put the last seat. In class 2. So come to class 2. So where is the class 2? Okay, here is the class 2, and first we have to find the display board, and display board is just opposite our blackboard. So this is blackboard first and this is display board. Okay, so here it will be, the last seat will be here, last seat in class 2. Now display board in class 1. So display board is just opposite of blackboard, and come to class 1 direct. Display board in class 1. So this is the class 1, and here it will be blackboard. So here it will be display board. Okay.
Children, you understood, no, how they are telling about
Yes,
the
ma'am.
blackboard of every class?
Yes, ma'am.
Initially, when you came to know about the blackboard of 2 classes. Devanshi, switch off your mic, please. Initially, they have discussed about the blackboard of 2 classes. But when slowly they are solving the other questions and other steps, first they are designing about the blackboard of every class. So where is the blackboard of every class? The blackboard will be in between the doors and the windows, right? Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
If the windows are this side and the door is this side, north and south,
Yes, ma'am.
so your west will be your blackboard. So this is the way they are telling you the blackboard of each and every class, where will be the blackboard, and according to the blackboard they are telling you where is the next thing will be displayed, like display board will be where. Right, in your home also you say that, no, opposite to my bed I keep this my study table. So where first you have to tell us where is your bed, which direction is your bed, and where is your study table is in which direction. And accordingly, when you design your all the rooms and say that in all the rooms at my home, in all the rooms opposite to my bed there is a study table, and opposite to my bed there is a door. This way we design or not? Or this way we can convey also, and this way we can tell the directions also. That if I say, wait Nishika, if I say at my home, right side, opposite to the right side is my door, and to my left side is the windows. And in all my rooms, the design is like this. So when you come and enter to my house, you will easily recognize, yes or no? When you know everything, all the direction of my house, you can easily recognize, yes, मैम
Yes.
के इस जगह पे ये चीज रखी हुई होगी, right?
Ma'am,
Yes, Nishika.
ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah, tell me.
The carpenters who build the houses and so they also use directions.
Yes, you also have to tell them ना कि I want this thing in my this direction only. आप बताते हैं कि नहीं बताते हैं कि मुझे मुझे इस डायरेक्शन में ही काम चाहिए, मुझे इस डायरेक्शन में डोर चाहिए, इस डायरेक्शन में बेड रखा हुआ होना चाहिए, इस डायरेक्शन में मेरे अलमीराज होने चाहिए. You tell them or not? Yes. So all the work should be done with the directions only, right? Yeah. Any query? Yes, Devanshi. You want to ask something?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Daksh Patel, turn on your camera. Dhruvi, Daksh, Devanshi, turn off your mic.
Okay, I will again present my screen.
Ahili, turn on your camera.
So in this way we have placed the all
Shana, switch off your mic.
materials, all things that is in a classroom, blackboard, almirah, notice board and others. Now come to the last question. Can a child sitting in 3A see the playground? Okay.
Children, in your map number 7, you have to tell me the answer of question number C. Can a
No,
child?
ma'am.
Then can I? No.
No, ma'am.
My
No,
dear,
ma'am.
Ma'am, we can see A cannot see the
my
playground.
dear children, please switch off your mic. First, let me read the question. If you know the answer, write in the chat box. Okay. Can a child sitting in a third A see the playground? So, someone's mic is off.
Anubhavi, turn off your mic. Anubhavi. Anubhavi, turn off your mic.
Ma'am,
Can
the
I, Nishika, write in the chat box. Can a child sitting in third A see the playground? So when we see the third A in map number 7, our north is, windows are there in the north side, door is there in the south side, and playground is in which direction? Playground is in which direction, my dear children? Now give me the answer. Open your mics and tell me.
South. South.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
south.
very good. Very good. Now switch off your mics. Rishang, switch off your mic. Now my next question is, when you have to, please write the answer in the chat box once my question will be complete. So when you want to see something outside, you see from window or you see from door? Please write the answer in the chat box.
ma'am, can you repeat the question?
When you want to see outside,
Window.
you will see from, don't say the answer, write in the chat box. You will see from window or you will see from door. Suppose you are in a flat or you are in your classroom. You want to see, when you are in your classroom in Tapti Valley School, right? You want to see your football ground or you want to see your assembly ground. From where you will see? From window or from doors? Please write the answer in the chat box. I'm still not getting the answer.
Windows.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, window.
Yes,
Window.
Devanshi.
Window.
Yeah. Pranchu? Who is the one who is repeating the answers?
Pranshu was repeating, ma'am.
Yeah, that's why. Pranchu, you want to stay in the class, no?
Ma'am,
Yes.
No.
and Devanshi is writing the same answer.
Okay, I will check it. Now, in this, they are saying, can a child sitting in third A see the playground? Write the answer in the chat box and write the reason why. If it is yes, then why it is yes. If it is no, why it is no. With the reason. Children, with the reason. I don't want only yes and no. I
Ma'am.
want with the reason.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ishana.
What is the question? Can you repeat it?
It is in your textbook, question number C.
Okay,
ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes, Nishika.
ma'am,
Ma'am, I have sent the answer.
I can't write that answer in the chat box.
Why?
It is much long now, that's why.
No, you try. Please write. Yes, Aryan. No, because the windows is in the opposite direction. Yes. That's why he will not able to see the playground. Very good, Aryan. Arna. Arna, check the spelling of direction.
Ma'am, I is right answer.
Yeah. Dhruvi is right. Because the class is in the north and the playground in the south. Yes, Maisha also right. No, because the windows is in the opposite direction. No, because the windows are in the opposite direction. Sarah Arav Palaskar Eva is saying no, because in south in between there are three classes, and in front of class there is a playground also. The windows are in the opposite direction. Okay, ma'am, because it is in the opposite direction. Okay, Nishika, Eva, Vihan, Sarah, these are giving me. So I hope you children understood about the map number 7 and map number 8.
Ma'am,
Yes, Devanshi.
yesterday the practice sheet which you sent, and that I have one doubt.
Mm-hmm. The what doubt you are having?
Ma'am, just a second. I'm saying.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, I have sent you that
In that
worksheet.
one,
Mm-hmm.
the if you are at the library, which direction you go to the town neighborhood? So, ma'am, it is in center. So, how we will know that which direction is it?
It is
It
not
will
in
be
the
south.
center. Yeah, it will be south.
Yes, ma'am, it is simple. If the library is on the north side and it is
Yeah.
asking where is the town neighborhood, so we have to go to south.
So
If
it
it is
will
on
be the
the
opposite
east
side.
or the west,
So it will be
Devanshi, you check your map again and try to understand it and give the answer.
ma'am,
Okay.
when we will do
Ma'am, I have
the
sent you that
Now
worksheet.
listen to me. Now, yeah, our this is done 7 and 8. Now I am giving you one link in your chat box. You open the link, you note down the questions in your notebook and complete the worksheet. This worksheet is also based on the map.
ma'am,
Just,
we have to
So ma'am, we have to write in notebook.
just a minute, children, just a minute.
Ma'am, we have to write in notebook.
Yeah, first let me complete it. So I will send the link in the chat box. You open the link, you will able to see the worksheet the way I got yesterday. And there is a map given. There are few questions related to the map is given. You don't need to draw the map. You only write the question and along with the answers in your notebook. Am I clear to everyone now? Any doubts? Yes, I will.
Can I print?
Yeah, if you have a printout nearby you at your home only and easily take the printout, do it, solve it in the notebook in that printout and stick it in the notebook. Am I clear now? This doubt is also clear. Eva, please mute your mic. Okay, now I will send the link in the chat box.
So ma'am, I will take printout only.
Ma'am, you will send this as an assignment.
I will send this. Yeah, I will send it as the assignment after the class. First, this is the classwork completed in the class itself. Got the link? Now, after this, no child will send the message. Everyone got the link?
Ma'am,
Yes.
if we couldn't complete, so we can click a photo and
Yes, completed after.
And
Yes.
afterwards we'll.
Yeah. I hope everyone got the link. Open this worksheet. Vivan, how many times, my dear, in each and every class you need the reminder that sits straight?
Ma'am,
Yes, Arush.
we have to make the map or not?
I told in the beginning, you don't need to make the map.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Daksh.
ma'am, you can send in the class.
You're not able to open in the chat box?
Yes.
Okay. I will
Ma'am, I
I
have
will-
to download the PDF in my drive.
I will send it in the classroom also. Click from the classroom also.
I have done in this, so I have now, so I can do at home.
But start doing from now. It's by the time other children, those
Renu ma'am.
yeah, Preet.
Renu
Yeah,
ma'am.
Kanan, tell me.
Ma'am, that is not. Yeah, it's okay.
Switch off your mic, everyone.
Vivan, turn on your camera.
Some share it.
Vivan, Arush.
What?
Turn on your camera.
Link is there in the chat box. Please start doing. And please, Arush, mute your mic. There is a link given in the chat box. Please start doing this worksheet.
Ma'am, can you send a
Mannat, they have started. Yeah, who is telling? Can you send what?
link?
Kanan, link is in the classroom also, in the chat box also.
Okay.
And children, I told you that those who have not got the chance, please write the answer in the chat box so that today you can explain me. Write your name in the chat box. So that I give you a chance today to explain about the map of India.
Ma'am, chat box is isn't available.
No, I opened it. Please check.
No, ma'am. It's showing chat isn't available at now it's okay.
Yes, ma'am, it isn't available.
Ma'am, I didn't got the
Yesterday.
Please write the
ma'am,
name.
it's coming and it's not available.
Vihan, turn off your mic.
Ma'am,
Yes, Jaival.
can I do that in
Classroom, can you send
Speak one by one, kids. How can we? We are
It
not
is
able
very
to
difficult.
understand.
Very difficult.
Ma'am, can I do in Google Docs?
Yes.
Ma'am, it's coming back.
Ma'am, can you send the link again?
Grushika, it is there in the classroom.
Ma'am, from classroom it is not opening in mine. It's saying you want permission.
Okay. It is there now. Because Yash Malhotra, maybe you doing with the login with the different IDs. That's why. Only it will accept the TVIS ID.
Renu ma'am,
Yes, Nishika.
it's my reading class now.
Okay, you can leave the class. Those who have reading class, they can leave the class and complete this worksheet and
Yes,
send
ma'am.
it to me in the assignments.
And I will tell
Bye, ma'am.
So can I read my class? So can I leave? Can I stay?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I don't
Yeah,
have
yeah,
any.
please, you can leave. Thank you.
Renu, ma'am.